So walk with me for a minute. Let's talk about engine oil, and particularly the additives that are in engine oil and the engine oil additives that we make at BestLine Racing, our Diamond Nano Lube. So when I started this company a little over 11 years ago, through another business that I was operating, we discovered that many of the engine oils and engine oil additive companies really misspeak about what their product can do. And because, they're using age-old technology. Some of it is older than I am, right? So anyway, there's new technology that we discovered, and that's what we use. The other guys don't use it because it was more expensive than the current additives on the market, and they just don't like making a change, right? They're already making $1 billion selling what they have, so they don't need to make anything different. Well, we changed that. We have a product that is our Diamond Nano Lube, lubricants, that outperforms everybody else, and we proved it. A good friend of ours, Lake Speed Jr., who's a oil tribologist, oil chemist, it's well known in the racing industry, tested 7 of the top brands, which we were one of them, and guess what? We came out on top. But back to the engine oil. There's a lot of miscommunication about how important that oil is. Engine oil is actually the lifeblood of your motor, right? But we don't see it, and there's a lot of misinformation about, extending the life of your engine oils and all that sort of thing, which isn't true. There are additives in every oil that you buy, whether it's a $4 bottle or a $12 bottle. The additives make up over 80% of the cost of that oil, right? The base oil's cheap. And also, we'll talk about it later, but you should only use a full synthetic, not anything else, right? Anyhow, so the additives in the oil is what protects the motor and the bearings and everything else that's in it. After about 5,000 miles, those additives in your regular engine oil start to wear out. They oxidize, and that reduces their effectiveness on all the engine components, which is a problem, right? So our product that we make, our Diamond Nano Lube, actually extends the oil life. And again, Lake Speed Jr. in his tests proved that. We extend the oil life, which also extends the additive package's life. So take a look at us, bestlineracing.com. Our Diamond Nano Lube product on sale, and we promise it works as we say, or your money back. There you go.